Hi. Where's the kitty? Where did he go? Come here, Willie. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, he's coming closer. He's coming closer. Oh, there he goes. Go get him. Go get him. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Ah, don't bite my hands. There's the kitty. Get him. Get the kitty. Where's the kitty? Eat some goldfish. Okay, stop and have a little break. Little snack break. Eat some goldfish. Refuel. Alright, there's the kitty. Are you going to chase him? Bonk. Oh, don't mind Mommy's giant belly in the way. Where's that kitty? Get the kitty. Hi. Hi. My cute face. Go chase the kitty again. That was so funny hearing you little cackling around. Where's that cat? Dogs. The dogs have all run for cover. Easy. Go slow. Okay, careful, Cody. Watch where you're going. Okay, good. Good job. That's right. Oh, he jumped through the window, that little booger. He's inside. Come on, Cody. Come on, where's the kitty? Oh, there he is. I think Willie's getting just as much enjoyment out of this as you are. Oops. Come on, Cody. Where's Willie? Where is he? There he is. Go get him. There he is. He's going to eat your goldfish. Where's Willie? Where's the kitty? Distracted by the fishes on TV? You want more goldfish? No whining. Oh, that's not attractive.